As a leader, it's rare that you're dealing with simple problems to solve where you can just choose the right answer and be done with it. No, leadership is much more about wrestling with conflicting values, trying to align team members with polarizing points of view, or tackling complex organizational issues. It means that you have to embrace what most people would choose to avoid or ignore: tension. Things like being optimistic while at the same time being realistic. Having high, clear expectations, but not to the neglect of grace. Being task-focused and relationship-oriented. Embracing change while preserving stability. And the ongoing wrestling match between work and home. Leaders who understand, assess, and leverage tension in a healthy way instead of avoiding or ignoring it stand out from the crowd. And they help their teams and their organization get unstuck and gain a winning competitive advantage.